Alright, so I decided I was gonna kind of paint my V8 body on my own using whatever I had in the house because I didn't feel like spending any money. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm using a J Concepts body, some graphics, that were supplied with it. Rust-Oleum paint is what I had on my shelf over there, and I think this is like one of the cheapest paints you could buy. So anyways, what I started doing was putting masking tape, which I already had, and we're already running out of, but since J Concepts theme to this body here, I don't know if it's a theme or not, but it kind of looks like a skull, and it says Punisher here, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to try to make a skull out of the top from what I can. So we'll see how it turns out. I could use regular masking tape, maybe, see how that would work. I don't know. I may have to go to that.
Okay, swap cameras because the other one for some reason kept turning off. Here's how I got so far, which isn't looking too bad. The cool thing about this is it's okay, since it's a skull, it's going to be all cracked up. It's okay to be not all perfect. The least perfect, the better. I never do this stuff, so go on and on with this, but I don't know if I want to at this point. I'm gonna stop right there. Probably the more cracks the better, but I'm not gonna get too much further. So that's what it looks like right there. Maybe we can scratch it up a little bit once we take the white off or something. I don't know. Or after we paint it white. Alright, so now time to paint. Just gonna be a black here, and I'll skip that part for now. Okay, so I got done using my wife's hair dryer to help speed things up a little bit. So now we're gonna take off the tape. Okay, so there we go. It's with no tape. Now I'm gonna go in and paint it with some white. See how that turns out. Okay, I painted a little bit more. Not so much see-through. Hopefully some of the black will come through. That'll be kind of cool. Just go ahead and start pulling up this tape for the windows. That. To give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to paint the inside black and see if I can. It'll darken up that white a little bit, even though it looks blue because of the film. Let's see how this comes out. Okay, here's the car body after the last paint with the black. You probably can't see it all that much, but the black start coming through, which is kind of what I want. Right here, I got a little crack in between. It actually got like a 3D looking effect right there around the windows. But so now I'm gonna let it dry thoroughly before I open it up. Alright, I'm back. It's dried up. I can't believe it came out as well as it did. Not been ever doing this stuff before, but wow. It's much better than I expected. But, so now I'm gonna put a couple stickers on here and we'll call it done.